Go. Big Sunday slap. Novice C, Novice D. Big game. Clarissa's not supposed to be on here. She's supposed to be on the other line? No? Okay, forget it. Okay.
No, she was on my side.
Okay. There's Mamadou. There's Shardeep. We got Nassau, Clarissa, Dashint, Marmit. Mamadou falls down. Got the new video system here. Rupert in the way. Whistle's gonna blow soon. Gonna blow the whistle. There we go. Switch. Line change. Let's go. Hurry up. No face-offs. There's Olivier, Sofo, Chris, Adian, Edmund, Joseph. Okay, yeah. We got bottle on the ice. We got Adoni, Nikhil, Luca, Adamo, Sasha. These guys are good skaters now. Look at them. There's Joseph. There's Joseph with the big kids. Joseph is supposed to be with the other group, but we stuck him there. Costa, there goes Christo and Edmund. Edmund maneuvers. Doors open again. Once again, the door's open. You guys gotta close the door, please. There goes Chris. Chris is maneuvering. Passes it over to Adam. That was Adian. There's Adam. There's Joseph. Joseph's older, but that's okay. He's about this caliber. The video. In the corner. Whoa, he almost runs over Adoni. Here comes Luca. Ooh, nice shot by Luca. Nice play. There's Peter. That's right, get ready, guys. Here comes Nikhil. Nikhil's been practicing today. Nice pass to Luca. There goes Luca down the boards. Edmund's chasing him. Edmund gets the puck. Switch! Let's go! Yeah.